I'm quite an active person. I like the sports and stuff like that. Didn't really want to go into sports coaching. I like the physical side of the job and not being in the office. My name is Ashley Platt-Hughes. I'm a maintenance fitter at Wienerberger at the Denton factory site. We take the raw material from the local quarry in Gossip, and it's produced and manufactured bricks here, which are then packaged and shipped out to potential customers and building projects around the country. Maintenance workers provide basic maintenance cover throughout when the plant's on downtime, so we cover basic breakdowns and any jobs that need fixing. I've worked with Wienerberger for 4.5 years now. Did an Advanced Apprenticeship, which was a level 3 in mechanical engineering, and I've gone on to further levels with that in my HNC and my HND, which is level 4 and level 5. I've definitely learned and developed while I've been here with the extra college courses, is working out in the site, like the different challenges, trying to work out what the problem is.